What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of clearing the cache on Roblox for your iPhone. Clearing the cache can help improve performance and resolve issues you may experience while using the app. Follow the steps to ensure a smoother gaming experience on Roblox. So let's begin. First, locate the Settings app. After you locate the Settings app, tap on it to open the app. In the Settings tab, let's go straight to the point by tapping on the search bar located at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type iPhone storage or may just iPhone word only to make the iPhone storage tab appear. If the iPhone storage tab appears, tap on it to open. While we are in the iPhone storage tab, scroll down until you locate the Roblox. After you locate Roblox, tap on it to open. In the Roblox info, tap on the Offload app button. After tapping the Offload app button, the option appears at the bottom of the screen. Just tap the Offload app so that we can proceed. After you offload the app, just tap Reinstall App button to reinstall the data of the app. You have successfully cleared the cache on Roblox for your iPhone. This process can help resolve performance issues and enhance your overall gaming experience. If you encounter further problems, consider reinstalling the app or checking for updates. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.